What are you doing June 4th? If you're a Toastmaster in the Chicago area or a Toastmaster virtually that hangs out with people in Chicago, you simply must join us for the TLI. Check it out, Igniting the Fire Within, the District 103 TLI. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix, and I was invited to be your keynote speaker. Why me? Great question. Back in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to be the world champion of public speaking. But look, I didn't do it alone. I had mentors, I learned lessons, I made a lot of mistakes along the way. Join us for the TLI and you'll see a brand new keynote that I have about a new book that's not even out yet called 17 Minutes to Your Dream. After lunch, I'll be doing a humor workshop, Humor 101, how to get laughs even if you don't think you're funny. Join us for this cool TLI. It's not just me, there's a lot of programs that we'll be having for you to help you become the leader and the speaker you've always dreamed of. There's educational sessions like learning how to enjoy your pathways learning journey, the ABCs of free toast, club building conversations. Another one, mentors matter. Another, keeping the commitment. Creating your next symphony, a sound. And how to host a hybrid meeting. There'll be raffles during the break. You'll connect with new Toastmasters, reconnect with old friends in Toastmasters. But simply come and join us for the District 103 TLI, Igniting the Fire Within. Join us. Check out the registration below and we'll see you in Chicago virtually June 4th. Join us.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.